Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello, am I audible? Is my voice clear to all? All right, seems all is good. So I believe my screen is also visible to all, right? Okay, fine. So from where we have to start today, guys? Who can tell me? From where we have to start today? Yeah, Azure account creation. Who all have created Azure account? Yesterday, I think I have given the articles, right? How to create an Azure account? No. See, when you are creating an Azure account, okay, listen here. When you are creating an Azure account, then it will ask many confidential stuff. Okay. When we are creating an Azure free trial account, okay, then we need the credit card. Okay. We need the credit card. Any bank credit card will work out. Any bank credit card will work. Okay. Any bank credit card will work. Okay. Fine. And when you are creating a free trial account in Azure portal, then it will ask you many details. Basically, it will ask your details like your name, your phone number, etc. Then it will ask you to pass your phone number. It will send you an OTP. Then that OTP you have to pass. Then after that, it will ask you a card details, credit card details. It will ask you. That is very confidential, guys. Correct or not? It will ask, credit card holder name, credit card holder name. Okay, credit card number. Then it will ask you CVV number. It will ask you the expiry date of the credit card. Okay, it will ask you the house address. Okay, all these are sensitive information, right? So what I'll do, guys, I'll give you the article. Okay, Azure free trial account creation step by step. Okay, so I'll give you one article here. Referring this article, you can create an Azure account, guys. Okay, I can create one Azure account with anyone's for anyone's in the class, but the complete credit card information will be visible, which is dangerous, not good, right? So see here, go to this one. Okay, pass your email ID. You can pass simple Gmail ID also. If you see here, portal.azure.com. Okay, okay. See, I have created my Azure account with simple Gmail ID. See, this is my Gmail ID. This is my Gmail ID. Simple Gmail ID I have taken to create an Azure account. In the same way, you can also pass your Gmail ID. Okay. Then pass the password. If it is saying that no account is existing kind of, then simply say here create one. Click here on create one. After that, you have to pass your details, your phone number and your name. Then it will ask you to click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you the complete credit card details here. See, cardholder name, card number, expire, when it expires, CVV number, address line, etc., etc., postal code, region, and all. Then click on next again. Click on I agree. Okay, and then sign up. That's it. Your Azure account will get created here. Okay, see this one. Go to this link and click on start for free. Click on start for free. Okay. Okay. Hmm. This article is nice. Okay. Copy this site. Okay. Copy this site and paste it here. Okay. Then say here start for free. Okay. Start for free. Then pass your mail ID or else directly click here on create one. Directly click here on create one. Okay. The expiration of account is for 1 month. No, Devendra, it won't detect the money for you. After 1 month, automatically it will deactivate the account. There is no cheating here like OTT platforms. If you notice in OTT platforms, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Z5, Sony Live, etc., they will auto renew your account. But here it is not the case. Okay, if you upgrade it manually, then only it will start charging you. If you leave it as it is, then automatically after 1 month, the account will get deactivated. No, Mohan, credit card is must. Debit card won't work out here. Get a credit card from your siblings, from your parents, or from your relatives who trust you, who can give you the credit card. Get the information from them. Get the credit card from them. Okay. See, all these things, guys. You are passing your details. You are passing your country code, your phone number, verification code. You will get an OTP, your card details. Then here, finally, go for it. Okay. Yes, Piyush, after 1 month, you have to create one more free trial account. Okay. No. Vijay Prakash, it is not possible to give any dummy credit card details. People have done a lot of things like this. That's why what Microsoft will do, when you pass all these details of your credit card, it will charge you 2 rupees. It will charge you 2 rupees. And this 2 rupees also, you will get it back after 15 business days. After 15 business days, you will get this 2 rupees back. Okay. Why it is charging this 2 rupees, It is charging this 2 rupees to ensure that you are not passing any dummy credit card details. Okay. What all the details you are passing here, it will verify from the bank. For that reason, it will charge you 2 rupees. And that also it will return back to you after 15 business days. This 2 rupees will automatically reflect in your credit card statement. Okay. When you are creating a new, or when you are creating again the Azure account, then you have to give different credit card details again. Okay. When after 1 month, okay, when you want to create a new free trial Azure account, then you have to pass new credit card details. Okay. With one credit card only, you can create a free trial account only once. With one credit card, we can create only one time. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? All good. So plenty of articles are available in Google. You can take anyone and then you can create a free trial account, guys. Do up to here. Up to here, you have to do. Up to here. Don't cancel your Azure subscription. This steps is for canceling. Don't cancel it. We have to create the Azure account. So up to here, you have to do. Okay. I'm giving this link to all of you guys. Keep this link for your reference. Okay. Piyush, in Azure also, they will give you for 1 year. But what is happening, 1 month you would be having all access. 1 month you will be having all access. Okay. Every single thing you can create. After 1 month, you will get turned to read access only. After 1 month, okay, you will be having only read access on Azure portal, which is of no use, right? What will you do with read access? Can you do the labs? Can you do the practice? No. So this 1 year and all, this is just, to impress the customers. That's it. But in reality, with only reader access, can you do anything? Can you do the labs? Can you do the practice? Can you implement the servers? Can you implement the pipelines and all? No, not at all. It is a waste just to impress. That is are just marketing tactics. That's it. Okay. Anisha, I'll answer your question. I'll answer your question. Okay. Okay. I believe I have answered everyone's question here. Yes. Piyush, you can create any configuration of VM in that 1 month. If you want to create a VM of 64 GB RAM, okay, 16 virtual core and 5 TB hard disk, yes, you can create with a free trial account. Free trial Azure account. See guys, Azure account or Azure subscription is one of the same thing. Azure account or Azure subscription is one of the same thing. Okay. If you are not having a credit card, then I request share the details of a free Azure account with each other. Yes. Share it with each other, guys. Okay. Share it with each other. How to manage, how to work, I'll just tell in the upcoming classes. One free trial account, one Azure free trial account can be used up to 4 people easily. Yeah. Yes. Link for creating an Azure account. If it is showing as you pay, if it is showing you pay as you go, then I believe that credit card you have already used to create an Azure free trial account. Okay. Correct. That's it. That's it. Because of that reason, it is showing you now pay as you go. What I have told here, see, with one credit card, we can create only one time. That's it. If you are using the same credit card again, then it will ask you to pay as you go. No, Madhavi is not something like 6 months, 3 months kind of. Okay. So when you are a beginner, when you are a fresher, Madhavi, go for free trial only. Don't think that I can afford for 6 months, I can afford for 3 months and all. No. If you have created something in Azure, in cloud portal, and if you could not able to delete it, then it will keep charging you. Once you get an expertise, then you can go for paid subscription. No, not required, Piyush. Even I too don't have 4-5 credit cards. It is of no use. See, we are having good colleagues in our office, right? We are having siblings, brothers, sisters. Okay. Definitely our siblings will give it to us because they trust, and ensure them it is for free. Ensure that it is for free, 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 free. No money. 100% Azure won't charge you. 100% Azure won't charge you. Okay, Microsoft is a very, very big company, guys. Microsoft is giving crores of rupees salaries to many people, lakhs and crores of salaries. So it won't cheat with you. If Microsoft says free, then definitely it is for free. Pass from 5 years. Pass from 5 years. Okay. I am creating free trial Azure accounts. And not even one time Microsoft has charged me. Okay, fine. Now see here, guys, I'll tell you one more thing. Okay. Let me open a Microsoft Paint, MS Paint here. Okay. Not required. Madhavi, why you want to create every month? Hardly if you create the Azure free trial account 2 months, 2 months is more than sufficient for you to do the practice. 1 month is also sufficient if you are dedicated, if you are practicing daily 2 hours, 3 hours, then 1 month is also sufficient. What is the need of creating every month? Once you become little experienced in cloud, then you can create one paid subscription for yourself. Correct or not, guys? But when you are a beginner, you are a fresher, don't go for paid subscriptions. Okay. All right. Fine. So what I'll do now, see, this is your, this round circle. Okay. This round circle is your okay, Azure Cloud Computing. This round circle. This is your Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. Fine. This is your Azure Cloud Computing. Fine. Now, in this Azure Cloud Computing, we are having multiple portfolios. We are having multiple portfolios. What are those here? See, here we are having one portfolio as Azure Admin, one portfolio as Azure DevOps. Sorry, guys. One portfolio as Azure Containers. Okay. One portfolio as Azure Database. One portfolio as Machine Learning, AI, Artificial Intelligence, plus Machine Learning. One portfolio as IoT, etc., etc. Like this, multiple portfolios we are having in Azure Cloud Computing. And among all this, you are learning what? Azure DevOps. Among all this, you are learning as Azure DevOps. This is one portfolio. This is one portfolio. This is one portfolio. This is one portfolio. This is another portfolio. Like if you want an example, if you see when we are making one cinema, when we are making one movie, because we all are interested in entertainment. Yes or no? Movies, songs, actors and actresses means our great interest. Yes or no? Correct. So now when we are making one movie, so in that movie making process, we are having multiple departments. Correct. Production is one department, casting is one department, direction is one department. Correct or not? Expenses management, one department. Actresses, maybe 5 actors working in that movie, 4 actors working in that movie. If you take RRR, okay, if we take our Rajamouli sir RRR, so in this movie there were multiple departments. Correct or not? Production is one department is there, direction is one department, okay, and management and expenses, traveling, okay, makeup artist, right, and food arrangement, technicians, actors and actresses. Yes or no, guys? These are all production. One set of people will look into it. Direction, one set of people will look into it. Management and expenses, one set of people will look into it. If all the unit has to travel from India to abroad or from one place to another place, there is one set of people who will take care of complete traveling things. They will arrange the buses, they will arrange the transport, ticket is confirmed or not, how many people are traveling, etc., whatever it is. So multiple departments are there, multiple portfolios, I can say. In the same way, Azure cloud computing is also one big ocean. In this, we are having multiple departments. Okay. Now, the people who are learning Azure DevOps, then they will learn all the things from this department. The people who are working as Azure admin, then they will learn all the things from Azure admin portfolio. The people who are working as containers engineers, they will they will learn all the things from Azure containers. The people who are working on database side, they will learn all the things from Azure database sides. Like this, it will be. So in Azure DevOps, you are learning one part of Azure cloud computing. Okay. In Azure DevOps itself only, there are many things you are going to learn. Okay. In Azure admin, there are many things you are going to learn. In Azure databases, the people who are working as database engineers or who wants to learn how to create, how to deploy databases and all in Azure, then they will learn database concepts in detail. In detail, they will learn these concepts. The people who are learning artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, then they will learn these resources and services that what Azure is offering for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, here makeup artist won't look for direction things. Correct? Makeup artist will busy in makeup only. This department won't get involved in food arrangements, won't get involved in technicians. Technician means who? The people who will, make the sets ready. Yes or no, guys? Okay. Shahul Sheikh. Shahul Sheikh will share the syllabus, not now. Okay, give us some time, maybe tomorrow or day after. We'll share the syllabus also, no problem. Okay. Yes, Vishal, basic level we are covering networking also. In this course, we are covering basic level of networking as well. So that when you join as Azure DevOps engineer, you should be completely not new for networking. So for that reason, basic level of networking we are covering. Yes. The course duration is for 40 days. Okay. 40 working days. Okay. 40 classes it will be. Okay. So it might lead to 1.5 month. The duration of this course will be for 1.5 month. Okay. So what all the concepts that you should need to know as an Azure DevOps engineer? Yes, all those concepts I'm covering here. Yes, Rajita, you are right. Rajita, you are right. Basics like virtual machine storage, networking, basic level. Then we'll jump into Azure DevOps. Okay. So Vishal, if you're working as network engineer, then definitely Azure DevOps is needed for you. Okay. As Azure DevOps, we are using in every project. Okay. In order to understand what work is going on, how much work is completed, what is in process and all, you should know Azure DevOps services and all. Okay, either you are a network engineer, you are a containers, or you are, working as developer, whatever your portfolio, your profile is, Azure DevOps is must and should. When the project is being developed in Azure DevOps, then that is compulsory that you have to have Azure DevOps knowledge. Sumant, I told Azure cloud computing is a very big ocean. No one knows the complete Azure cloud computing. No one knows the complete Azure cloud computing. If someone is saying that they are working in Azure cloud computing, then you have to ask what in which portfolio you are working in Azure cloud computing. You are working as Azure DevOps engineer, you are working as Azure administrator, you are working as Azure database expert. Like that, you have to ask. No one knows the complete Azure cloud computing. Azure cloud computing, to learn Azure cloud computing, it will take your full life. Full life it will take to learn complete Azure cloud computing. That much big ocean it is. Please don't ask the questions which are irrelevant. Okay. Okay. Is that clear, guys? Syllabus I'll show, guys. Okay. Once you get with the enrollment and all, I'll show the syllabus. Let us freeze the batch first. Okay. As still we are learning, we are running with the free link, free class link. Okay. Once the batch get locked, once the batch get freeze, then I'll show the syllabus. I'll give you the material. We'll provide you the recordings, interview question and answers, certification dumps, sample resume, everything will provide. Ramanjina Reddy, I think you are busy somewhere when I have told you how long these classes will be. I cannot tell the same thing again and again, guys. Please listen carefully. Okay. See, I have highlighted your answer here. Ramanjina, I have told just 5 minutes back. See, I have told the duration of this course is how much? Just 5 minutes back. Yes, we are having classes on Saturdays also. We are having classes on Saturdays also. Okay, fine, guys. So I'll just tell you the syllabus here on top level. Fundamentals of cloud computing we are covering. Fundamentals of cloud computing we are covering. Okay, Azure compute services we are covering. Azure storage services we are covering. Azure networking services we are covering. Okay, Azure functions, Azure batch, Azure logic apps. Okay, and then we are covering Azure boards, Azure repos, Azure CI, CD pipelines. Okay, and Azure test plans, Azure artifacts. Okay, Azure Docker containers, Azure container instance, container registry. Okay, Azure Terraforms, Azure Kubernetes to a little extent, Azure Kubernetes services, etc., etc. Maybe some more I'm missing. I'm not getting into my head right now. These all the topics we are covering. Some more topics is there. It's not getting into my head. Dilip, okay, this is the questions that we'll address in the class. Okay, still we are at a very beginning level. Okay, once we get into the classes after 15-20 days, okay, let us create the services first. Then we'll think about the charges. Okay. Dilip, don't go for paid subscription. It is very risky for you. Create a free trial account only. Okay. If you have already used, get one credit card from your siblings. Get one from your friends, close friends. Get one from your colleagues who will trust you. I also did the same, Dilip. When I was learning cloud 6-7 years back, I have created free trial account 2-3 times. Once I have created with myself, with my credit card, then other 2 times I have taken from my colleagues. So no problem. Your siblings are there, your close friends are there, whoever trusts you, get the credit card from them and do the needful. All right, is this clear? Shahul Sheikh, is that clear to you now? These are the topics we are covering and also some more topics, okay, that we'll cover. Okay, but everything we are learning in Azure cloud computing only. Everything we are learning in Azure cloud computing only. Here you are going to learn some 4 to 5 concepts. Here you are going to learn in compute services, maybe some 8 to 10 concepts. Here you are going to learn some 4 to 5 concepts. Like this, in every module, you are going to learn some concepts here. Okay. Here you are going to learn some to 8 concepts. Like in every module, you are going to learn the concepts like this. And complete syllabus, guys. Okay, except these fundamentals of cloud computing. Except this fundamentals of cloud computing. Okay, I am going to teach everything practicals only. Practicals only. Every topic practical with real-time scenarios. Okay, I'm remembering some more thing here. App services. Azure App Services. Hosting .NET applications on PaaS services. Hosting .NET applications on IaaS services, etc., etc. Okay, designing of the pipelines, designing of CI/CD pipelines from the scratch, maintaining the source code. Okay, yes, we are going to learn Git commands also. Git commands. Okay, many things are there, guys. Many things I'm not getting into that right now. Okay, on a very high level, I'm giving you this syllabus that we are covering. Yeah, Linux also we are covering. Basics of Linux we are covering. Okay, deploying Linux servers. Deploying Linux servers in Azure Cloud. Automation process we are learning. Okay, we are also learning how to automate CI/CD deployments. Many things are there, guys. Whatever it is coming to mind right now, slowly one by one, I'm just writing it down. These are all the concepts we are learning, guys. Still, I think some more is there which is not getting into mind right now. Okay, fine. How to automate the builds and deployment, that also we are learning. How to automate the builds and deployments in Azure DevOps. Okay, fine, guys. Any other questions, anyone? Am I good to close the class? Or if there's any other questions, please ask me, guys. I'll help you out. All questions done? Okay. Dilip, you can check it, but I don't recommend to do something in your Office Azure DevOps account. That is dangerous. Okay. If you are having dedicated subscription given, okay, then there is a different case. See, when you log into your Azure portal here, just go and search here for my permissions. See my permissions. Click on this one. You will get to know. See, in this subscription, what is my permission here? I am an administrator. See, you are an administrator on the subscription. That is Azure PaaS sponsorship subscription. I'm an administrator here. Like this, you can check your access level. Aniket, just get the recordings of all classes. No need to be sorry. Okay. We are having our class coordinator, Manoj. Okay. Manoj, please forward the links, the recordings, everything. Okay. Oh my God. Ramanjina Reddy. This class is for Azure DevOps, not for Azure Admin. Dedicated to Azure DevOps. Material will provide maybe in 1 week of time. Uttesh Reddy, I'll let you know when to create a free trial account. No need to worry. Everything I'll tell guys. The only thing you have to do is you have to come to the classes regularly. That's it. When to create account, when to share the material, what I have to teach, when I have to start giving you the assignments, everything I'll tell when the time comes in. Only one thing you have to do is you have to come to the classes regularly. Dilip, if you are not getting that option, it means that you are not having permissions to check your access level in Azure account. That's why I told mostly I recommend, okay, it's your choice. Don't do any labs or any hands-on on your office subscription. That is very risky because normally in our companies, we are using paid subscriptions. And sometimes some companies will give you the paid subscription for practice. That is a different case, but mostly we'll get the subscription in our office Azure account subscription to do office work. If you're doing labs and all, then might be, the client will ask you. Rajita IAM, Identity Access Management. Yes. Interview question and answers, I'm giving it, Uddhav. No need to worry. For experienced professionals also, this course is absolutely relevant. Okay. Guys, please take a photo of this one. This is first day class, second day class, third day class, fourth, fifth, sixth, and today is 7th. Manoj, drop your number also, so that students can get in touch with you if there is any questions or any things that they are looking for. Yes. Guys, now take the shot. Open your mobile camera. Take this complete screenshot. Or else open the snippet here like this. Say here, snipping tool, open this one. Click on new and then take this screenshot completely like this. Save it on your desktop. Save it on your desktop like this. Okay.